Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, Aquarius people, first of all we'll check your current energies and then we'll proceed with your readings. Aquarius people, this is your current energy, Four of Swords, and Ace of Pentacles is your partner's current energy. So if I talk about your current energy, it seems like you are taking your own time, you are taking your me time to recharge yourself, okay? Because since you have this sword with you, it seems like you had done, you have fought a very great war, okay? Or you had fought a very great fight. This is the reason you are recharging yourself. This is the reason you are sleeping right now. And if I talk about from this relationship perspective, it seems like you did your best, you have given your best. Now you are not waiting for your person to declare any kind of results towards you. You feel that you have done your part. Now I am taking rest. If this person thinks that I am the one, they can move ahead. If they think I am not the one, they can go. Okay, it's not that you are bothering yourself or you are pressurizing yourself much that why this person is not taking actions towards me, why this person is not doing anything towards me, because you know that you had given your best. Now you are taking or you are recharging yourself. On the other hand, with Ace of Pentacles, it seems like whatever hard work you had put on this person, whatever hard work you had put on this relationship, this person has understood that you are somebody or you are the one for them, okay? And yes, so accordingly, with this Ace of Pentacles cards, it seems like your person has understood the thing, has understood the meaning of your presence in their life, and they are taking towards, they have started taking action towards you. Perhaps they want to take you out somewhere, on some mountain or something like that, or perhaps they want you to take you out on some date nights and all that. So it seems like your person is eager to take you out somewhere so that they can talk with you open heartedly, so that every situation, so that you can get these best solutions in this relationship. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual current energy between Aquarius and their person. Going with the flow. See, this is what I said just now, Aquarius. You are somebody who did your best. Now you are taking your own time to recharge yourself. That's what I said. You are going with the flow. You are not considering, or you are not thinking, or you are not worrying about what your person is going to do, what actions they are going to take towards you in future. So you are just chilling at your own. You are just enjoying your own me time. You are not thinking about anything right now, and this is the best thing which you are doing, Aquarius, right now. Now let's see, Aquarius, what your person thinks about you, or how they see you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. Politics, intensity. Okay, so the first card is politics. Aquarius people, it seems like your person is seeing you as somebody who is surrounded by a lot of people who are not good for you. Okay, or perhaps your person thinks that you are someone who manipulate them. Okay, you are someone who is not disclosing your true identity in front of them. So this is the reason they are being very confused about you. Okay, or they see you as somebody who is very dominant about certain things in life. You think that if I deserve this, if I want this, I will get it. Okay, the current action from your partner side is towards you is intensity. As I said, with this Ace of Pentacles card, your person is determined to take you out somewhere. So with this card intensity, it seems like your person is coming towards you with full power and full speed, that now I want to take some action towards my Aquarius people. The future potential of this, or future actions which your partner can take towards you, is that perhaps they can take some solid action towards you, or perhaps they will understand that why this person is behaving in certain manner. Okay, so accordingly they will take actions. It's not that they will think some negative about you or some positive about you. It's completely a neutral thing. I don't know what they are going to feel or experience in this coming time, but with you, whatever the experiences we have with whatever the experiences which they are going through or which they are going to experience with you in coming time, accordingly they will take some action towards you. Okay, so Aquarius people, some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and we have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. Okay, so Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.